green screen effect fade on video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC tutorial.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Drag the video onto your timeline. Click or highlight the video. Go to Effects and type in Color Key. Drag that onto your video. Go to the Effects Control panel and click the eyedropper icon, and then click the video. As you can see, it removed the background. That's what we want. Now under the color key, click, and color tolerance, you can move it to the right, and notice how it's removing the green. In this case, I'm going to have it 55, and then edge thin 1. Okay, that's not too bad, but as you can see, there's another green part of the video that we want to remove. So same thing, we're going to add a cut to the video. I'm going to go back to Effects, drag color key onto the new part. We want to remove the color map. Go to Effects Control. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm going to move this to 100. So this is where the cool thing comes. We want to make this basically fade, or we want to add the effect fade on the video. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over and I'm going to add a color matte. Let's say we want to make this color red because it's a Spider-Man color theme. I'm going to drag this above our color matte. So now where we want to add the fade is right where Spider-Man hits the Sandman. So I'm going to add a cut, click the video, go to Effects Control, and then under Opacity, click the keyframe. And then move 5 frames on the keyboard or the right arrow key 5 times, and then click the keyframe. And we're going to make this, let's say 50. So it looks like Sandman is kind of disappearing as he's getting hit. And then move it 5 frames. You can hold down Shift and then the right arrow key and see how it moved 5 frames instead of me moving 5 frames. Click another keyframe and we'll make this back to 100 by dragging it to the right, and then Shift and then right. It moved 5 frames. Control A. If it doesn't work, click on here. Control plus A. And then Control C to copy, and then Control V. And this is what we have. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I think that looks pretty cool in my opinion.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.